Hey. Okay, attempt number 3, was it? Okay. You lift it up. Good job, good job, good job. Get it in the trash. She did it! We got more to clean up, baby girl. Oh, she's so helpful. Okay, lift it up. Good job. To the trash.
Good job. Take it out. Got more right here. Put it right there.
She's like, I'm just gonna put these in here by hand. Thank you. Oh, she's so helpful.
Well, howdy, Paloma.
To the trash can. To the trash can. Oh, good job. Shake it off. Shake it. Good job. Yay.
We see you. Where'd you go, Paloma? There you are. Found you. Well then. Trying to give on surprise. Yes. May I help you? Hello. Is that hey.
Hi.
We made it down the stairs.
Bye. We're at the fair. We're at the fair.
Fair.
Fair. Let's go. And her shoes are in the bag. And the bag is in the stroller. So let's go. Adventure.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll help. Good job, babe. I caught that on camera.
Look at you, Paloma's excited. Stuck? Stuck? That's cool.
Allá están atrás.
Whoa, turkey. Look at this turkey.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's horses.
The raptor. Velociraptor. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur, babe.
The dinosaur.
Oh, the other turkey on the other side.
I like that turkey more though, the black one.
Maybe horses.
Yeah, horses. Look at the horses.
Oh, look at these.
Baby turkeys? They look better when they're small. They're babies. Oh, hey, look, camel rides. But they're almost too small. Sucks. We'll put you on the camel. Look at the ponies.
Animals may bite. Are you okay?
Smell.
You can turn it off now. Please turn it off.
Look at the soulful eye of the llama. Hey, Cusco.
Alright, there it goes.
Cow.
Cow.
Cow. Moo, la vaca.
Okay. What are you doing?
Goodbye. Goodbye.
I'm broken.
Look at this. This is the ride that Mama's gonna get on. The Himalaya. I always call it the Himalayan, but Himalaya is right. We're gonna see if we can see Mama, okay? Oh my gosh, Mama's about to get on the ride. Let's check this out. Alright, they're starting. They're about to start. See if we can see Mama. Let's see if we can see Mama. Keep your eyes over there.
Ladies, they're wearing Nikes with orange laces and let your right tongue keep that cell coming down. Keep that inside the leather and make sure to your safety as well as keep your arms
Here they go.
aware motion.
Here they go. Come on. Okay, there we go.
Huh? I'm
You see Mama? You see Mama? Look at your Auntie Jiva, look at her face. There she goes. So we're done with the fair, and we're at Kroger now buying something for some cookies that my beautiful Mama's gonna make.
All purchased items.
And we just recorded and witnessed her purchasing items. Oh my gosh! What a revelating fight! What a once in a lifetime opportunity to catch her in the act.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm fine with buying things with cash. I like cash.
Oh my gosh, she's off grid. She's a fugitive of some sort.
No, I just like cash so then you know how much you're spending.
Nope. She knows all the tricks of the trade to keep off of the grid, off the radar. That's why she uses cash, so people don't find out about her underground fight clubs and other things.
Babe,
Yes?
you don't talk about Fight Club.
Right.
Oh yeah, so we really need to get on Patreon. Hopefully when we get it up, I will add a link down below, so if it's in like 2-3 days, there's probably a link down below. But otherwise, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye!